to make a great unit. You know, I tried it before. When I was coaching the Liberia national team, I had a team A and team B, and I invested more in the local players than the professional. So when the professional come, then we have a great team. But I think it's about time that Africa adapt that. We need a program to train our team, not just paying coaches to come and make money in 2-3 weeks after competition and go back. I think it's a disadvantage to us, and it's not good. I think about time that we all from a technical team locally, and then we try to develop our players so our team can be strong.
Why are there more African
But you see, this is what I think is unfortunately, does not have good counsel. Because if he had good counsel, he would have been able to